Here's a quick guide on how to reset your Chrome browser settings back to default. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. At the top right, click the three dots. From the menu, choose Settings. Now, look at the left side menu and select Reset Settings. If you don't see it, scroll down until you find Reset Settings under Advanced. Click Restore Settings to their original defaults. A pop-up will appear explaining what resetting does. It resets your startup page. Resets new tab page. Resets search engine. Removes temporary data like cookies. Disables all extensions. Your bookmarks, saved passwords, and history will not be erased. Click Reset Settings to confirm. Chrome will restart and apply the original default settings. Chrome on iPhone and Android does not include a full reset button, but you can clear data manually. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Chrome, Storage, Clear Data. This resets Chrome to default. On iPhone, open Chrome, tap the three dots, Settings, Privacy, Clear Browsing Data. And that's how to reset your Chrome browser settings quickly and safely.